Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video so attractive and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more latest collection. Trendy ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about beautiful ideas of hairstyling in low maintenance. Fine hairstyle, and so attractive collection of too short, wave and curl on hair. Some ideas naturally wavy curl on hair, and some ideas make curl with curler. And beautiful ideas of curly hairstyle in low maintenance. Some ideas messy hairstyle, beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle, very attractive collection of spiky hairstyle in low maintenance. Some ideas with undercut and shaped art. Different collection of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, and different type of cuts. Some ideas layered, some ideas step, some ideas in undercut and shaped art, and trendy ideas of eye-catching ideas of highlights, and beautiful collection of hair dye. Different ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas of funky colors, and so attractive collection of highlights, and many much more beautiful latest and trendy collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Insta, and many apps of social media. I hope you must share it. So, when thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.